This is How My Brother Leon Brought Home a Wife by Manuel Argelia. Let's discussion natin paragraph by paragraph. She stepped down from the carretela of Casilin with a quick, delicate grace. She was lovely, she was tall. She looked up to my brother with a smile, and her forehead was on a level with his mouth. So, carretela, di ba? Muna siyang ginasakyan, ang ginatakot bala sa kabayo, mga Cinderella type. Di ba? Casilin is the driver, and then she was tall, she was lovely, taas siya. And her forehead was on the level of his mouth. So, taga-baba siya ang agtangara sa baba sang iyang brother ni Leon. So, siguro, wala man hambalan especially kung ano sila kataas. Pero hambalan ni Baldo, si Baldo ang ganarate, nga taas siya. "You are Baldo," she said, and placed her hand lightly on my shoulder. Diba? So, it must have been their, first time to meet. Kaya diba ang title is How My Brother Leon Brought Home a Wife.